Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to see how we can create a text file and how can we create the corresponding document using document classes. So for that we are choosing the file and you have to click on new option. So your new text file is created. Now we have to save it somewhere. So what you have to do is you have to save as, you can put save as, and I'm going to make a new folder for saving the same. So this is my folder F, and here I am going to create a new folder. I'm going to name it as latex. And here I'm going to save the file in the name of trial. This is my file name. Save. Now we are going to make a document classes. So we are just going to see what is an article looks like in the text file. So for that we are choosing the option slash document class, so it will automatically comes here, and we are not going to do any additional thing. We are want to see what is an article. Okay, now we have to insert some documents here. So for that we are going to make it as a command begin document. So definitely end document comes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just copying some sentences from somewhere and I'm just going to paste it here. So this is what is my commands or the text I have to make it as a PDF. So next what I am going to do is I am going to choose the options and configure text maker, and you have to choose the quick build. From that quick build commanders, you have to choose latex plus dvips plus ps2 pdf plus view pdf. Then you can click on OK. Now you have to make it as a quick build. Now you can see what is actually the PDF looks like. And also you can see here inside this latex folder, there are so many files are there, but we are interested only on our PDF file. You have to double click on the PDF file. So this is the document what you have entered in the text file. So this is what it looks like. Now I am just going to close this one. Otherwise, while running the same thing, you cannot see the what are the changes is happening in the PDF file. So I am going to close the PDF file. Now we are back to our text file. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to make some commands. Uh, this is a 10 point. Okay, I'm usually the document classes, as per the document classes in the text file can access 10 point, 11 point and 12 point. So I'm going to make it as a 10 point. Now I can see what is the difference is happening here. Now I'm going to quick build here. So this was actually in the 10 point. So you can see this one, and I'm going to make it as a 12 point. So you can see what is the things happening here. See, this is little bit big. The font size is little bit big. And another thing is you can choose another option that is 11 point. Here you can see this is what is the font size looks like. Again, I am going to make another thing is whether it is a single column. Now you can see this document is only in the single column format. Now what I am going to make it as in a double column format. So I am going to COLU. This is our two column format. Again, I am going to build the same thing. You can see now your file is in the double column format. The first one, it was in the single column format. If you are not giving any commands, it will access as a single column format only. Here also I can put it as in a single one column or two column. One column means it will be in the one column format. Another thing is you can make this one is a landscape model. Now this is in portrait model. I can make it as a landscape. So what are the commands you can given here in the square bracket? Now this is in the landscape model, right? So I can make it as a two column and landscape. This is what is two column and landscape model. So I am not needed all those things. I'm going to make it as an A4 format. A4 paper. This is another thing, A4 paper format. This is what is an A4 paper format, and you can choose another paper format that is A5 paper format. This is what is an A5 paper format. See, this is the size A5 paper format. Then you can make it as a B5 paper format. This is B5 paper format. Next, you can make it as a legal paper. You can make it as a legal paper format. This is what is a legal paper format. And also you can choose executive paper format. This is what is an executive paper format. So I can show you that. Another thing is, if you are using the use package, show frame, I can show you what is actually this paper formats looks like. I can run the same. This is executive paper. I'm going to show you what is legal paper format. This is what is the legal paper format, right? This is legal paper format. I can show you what is A4. This is A4 format, then A5. This is A5 paper format. So this is what is a document class. So what are the commands you have to be given? You can given in this square bracket. And here it is in article paper format. And suppose if it is an IEEE transaction, you can take this one is IEEE transaction. Or if it is a conference paper format. So you have to mention what is the requirement. You can put it in the basis, that is whether it is an article or it is a draft or anything you can put here. And what are the commands you have to be mentioned, you can put it in the square bracket. I hope you enjoy the classes. Thank you.